Severe weather can strike at any moment. With the right preparation, you can ensure the safety of your family and home. From thunderstorms to hurricanes, tornadoes to blizzards, nature's fury can be relentless. Being prepared can make all the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major disaster. It's essential to stay informed and ready for whatever comes your way. Here are some must-do tips to help during severe weather. First up, power up. In today's digital age, staying connected is crucial. Make sure your phones, laptops, and other essential electronics are fully charged. This ensures you can communicate with loved ones and access important information. This will give you some power reserve if you lose electricity. Power outages can last for hours or even days, so having charged devices can be a lifeline. You don't want to be left in the dark when you need to stay connected. Next, light the way. When the power goes out, having a reliable source of light is essential. Gather flashlights, extra batteries, candles, matches, and any solar-powered lights you have. These items can provide much-needed illumination during a blackout. Place them in a central, easily accessible location. This way, you won't be scrambling in the dark to find them when you need them the most. If the power goes out, you'll thank yourself for having these handy. Portable chargers and power banks are invaluable during severe weather. Ensure all portable phone chargers and power banks are fully charged. These devices can keep your phones and other electronics running when the grid goes down. Stay informed. Knowledge is power, especially during severe weather. Keep your phone alerts on for weather updates and emergency notifications. This ensures you're always aware of any changes in the weather situation. Have a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio available to get updates. Radios can provide crucial information even when other communication methods fail. Staying in the know can help you make better decisions during a storm. Hydrate. Water is essential for survival, and having a supply of clean water is crucial. Fill up water bottles or containers with fresh water. This ensures you have enough drinking water in case the supply is disrupted. A gallon of water per person per day is a good rule of thumb. Grab the house first aid kit, or put together items that can be used, such as bandages, gauze, ointments, rubbing alcohol, or peroxide. Medical supplies can be a lifesaver. Secure loose items. Strong winds can turn everyday objects into dangerous projectiles. Bring in any outdoor furniture, decorations, trash cans, or other items that could be blown around by strong winds. This prevents them from causing damage or injury. Plan ahead. Having a plan in place can make a chaotic situation more manageable. Review your family's emergency plan and know where your safe room or shelter is located. This ensures everyone knows what to do and where to go. Have a written list of family and emergency numbers available in case cell phones lose power. This ensures you can still check on those you love and for help if needed. Planning ahead can keep everyone calm and organized. Lastly, stock up. Having essential supplies on hand can make a big difference. If you have time, gather non-perishable food items and any needed medications. This ensures you have enough to eat and any necessary medications during the storm. Having these essentials on hand can make a tough situation a bit more manageable. Think about items like canned goods, dry foods, and any special dietary needs. Remember, being prepared is key to staying safe during severe weather. Taking these steps can help you face the storm with confidence. Take action now, and you'll be ready to face whatever comes your way. Preparation is not just about survival, it's about peace of mind. Stay safe and take care. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones is the most important thing. Be proactive, stay informed, and weather the storm with confidence.